In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel your Picsart subscription. Let's get started. For the iOS device, launch your settings. At the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now here, you're going to find the Fin option. Navigate to the option subscriptions. Now in this page, you're going to find list of your subscription. Find Picsart in the list. Then tap cancel subscription. Now for the Android device, open your Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right. Go to Payment and Subscriptions, then click on Subscription. Select Picsart, then tap Cancel Subscription. On web, go to picsart.com and log in. Click your profile picture, then go to Settings, then Billing. Find your active plan and select Cancel Subscription. Once cancelled, you'll still have access to Picsart Premium until the end of your billing cycle. And you won't be charged again. And that's it. That's how you cancel your Picsart subscription from any platform. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.